Here is an content of an HTML code file. This is how the same code looks when we run it using a web browser such as Google Chrome. Now I'll explain you the structure of this code. Remember that we shall write this code on our own in the next section. In this video, I am just explaining the structure to you. Pay good attention and understand these concepts. Once you know them, you will be able to understand the next section very easily. The first part we write is a HTML tag. Remember the tags that we learned in the previous section. Yes, HTML is one of the such tags. All the HTML content to be displayed in the browser should be returned inside the HTML tag. With the HTML start tag in the beginning and end tag at the bottom of the document. As I taught in the last video, a tag in HTML is always surrounded by angular bracket. So, will be the HTML tag. The HTML tag tells your browser, then the content it is going to be reading next is an HTML content. After the HTML tag, the first tag to appear is the head. In the head of the HTML document, we place things like the page title or the metadata. Even the JavaScript.page is added inside the head with the script tag. We shall learn more about JavaScript in the next section. The title tag is to indicate the title of the page. Remember that the title you mark here will not be shown on the web page but on the browser tab. It is also the title of the page, which you will see when you do a Google search. The title is an important part when any website is optimized for Google search engine. So you have to very carefully choose and give the correct title for your page. This title tag, as mentioned earlier, is saved inside the head tag. The next tag after the head tag is the body tag. All the content that is visible on the web page is placed between the opening and closing body tags. The body is the primary container of the content that makes up the web page. This is the basic structure of any HTML document. So that's it. We now know the basic theory of HTML and we are good to get started with writing a first HTML code in the next section.